to my YouTube channel. And currently right now we are on YouTube. We are on YouTube right now. So let me just share you the link so that you guys can I will share you guys the link to my YouTube channel. So before you can get access to my YouTube channel, no, I don't just want to call the name so that you guys don't make mistakes. So this is what you're gonna do. Just click on the link on my bio. Click on the link on my bio. So once you click on the link on my bio, you see my YouTube. You see a YouTube tab right here. Okay. So follow the instruction, and then alternatively, you can just click on the link on my TikTok account, and once you get to the newly open page, just you will see the link to access my YouTube channel in the Telegram group. In the Telegram, yes. So let me just go through. Someone said, which platform can we buy? You can buy Dogecoin on Binance. Someone said XRP, bro. Okay, I will analyze XRP. Someone said, can we use the same strategy on forex and crypto? Yes, it's both about technical analysis, so you can use the same strategy. Someone said, what is your YouTube handle? ChartsEmpire. Someone said, do you take classes every day? Yeah, I do go live every day, 12 p.m. GMT +1 on YouTube and TikTok. So let's go through XRP as been requested. But before I go through XRP, let me just show you guys the asset I have on my list so that you guys can have an idea of what I'm looking up to, right? So that you guys can have an idea of what you should be looking out to, right? So let's go through the what is it called? Okay, let me just give answers to XRP first. XRP. So who asked about XRP? ZL9820. So before I proceed further with the XRP, so I need to know ZL982 is still online. So ZL9820, are you still online? Please let me know if you're online. That is very important. If you're online, then I'll proceed with the analysis, right? Because you asked for it, you need to be here. If you're online, ZL9820, signify type I'm online, then I will continue with the XRP, right? Because you asked for XRP, you asked for XRP, so signify if you're online, then I'll continue with the analysis. Okay, so that is the XRP. So let's just go through the list of my assets. And the Chibanu, I told you guys about Chibanu. So Chibanu, I'm still watching Chibanu, but Chibanu is here to break out. Whenever it breaks out, I will let you guys know in the Telegram group. Yeah. And then next is Zcash. So Zcash as well, you know, I've been monitoring this asset. So for those of you who want to invest in the cryptocurrency market, you need to know it's highly volatile, right? Market is volatile right there. You have to understand what you are doing, you know. So we have a potential channel. So but there isn't much volume right here. So for those of you who want to invest, you could be looking out to make a small investment right here on Zcash. So I am currently holding small position on Zcash, so you can see that, you can see it. So I want to be out whenever price get right there. So it's a stop order. So whenever price get lower, I want to be out. So this is how I'm willing to invest in the Zcash, and you can see this is what I'm looking out for. I can see potential bullish, you know, rally. So that's what we have on Zcash. So if you're an investor in the crypto market, you could be looking out for Zcash. And let's go to Sand. Before I go to Sand, let me show you what I did on Link Chain. So on Chainlink, you know, I already accumulated more right here, and the price is still up. So let's hope maybe price can give us a pullback before we can add to our position right here. But I'll be selling some of my crypto coin before the market rally down. So I bought Chainlink when it was around $10. So currently right now, let me see my profit on Chainlink. We're at this level right here all the way to this now. I already currently in around 50% profit. So 50% profit. So let's check out Sand. Sand as well is on my list. So if you're an investor in the crypto market, if you're looking out for an altcoin to invest in, Sand could be an alternative for you, right? Sand could be a great investment for you. So check Sand out. check it out. If it confirms your risk strategy, your trade strategy, you could look out for a nice trade right here. So I'm gonna be looking to make an entry based on sand. You can see that. So I'll be looking out to accumulate more sand right here, and I'll be looking out to place some sell stop order. Okay, so this is what I have, and we'll be targeting this structure right here. Right, that is a key resistance structure at the 0.8411. So that is my view on the on sand USDT. So that is a crypto market. And then I have Tezos. We have Tezos right here, and Tezos, I'm still monitoring this to see if price gonna break out of this structure. So I'm still monitoring Tezos. It's not yet confirmed, right? But some traders could have made some entry if they try to ignore the high of this bar right here. So if you have your trend line right from this structure to capture the swing right here, you could have been in this trade. That's if you are analyzing this market. So if you want to make an entry based on what we have right here, I think you should accumulate just a small portion of Tezos, right? So I'll be looking out to see if price can break out of this low swing. We have a low swing right here. We add a low high swing right here. We add a low high swing right here, and then a low high swing. So let's see if price can make a breakout, a retest for continuation. So this when I'll be looking to add more to my Tezos position, right? So I bought some small, but I'm going to be looking out to make more buy or long, accumulate more. I mean, if I can see a breakout right here. So this is based on Tezos. And let's check out what we have on the what else again. I have a lot of coins right here. So let's check out what we have on the Algo. So Algo, I share this with traders in my VIP community. So if you are right there, this is what we have on Algo coin. If you are a trader in the cryptocurrency market, you could be looking out for a trade opportunity on Algo, right? So traders in the crypto community, this is Algo. So let's check out what we have on Algo. Let's check it out. So on Algo, we have a downtrend, and currently based on what we have in a downtrend, the market can't continue to go down forever in a downtrend. The market won't continue to go down in a downtrend. So price broke this downtrend channel or trend line. We have this trend line right from right here. You can see our price keeps on going down. Price broke out right here. So I accumulated some Algo right here, and then I've already shared this with traders in my Telegram group right since last week. I shared this with traders, and I told traders if we can see a pullback, although there was a massive pullback, you can see that. So there was a massive pullback. So currently long already accumulated some more Algo right here. So if you are an investor in the crypto market, you could check out Algo. Algo could be a nice opportunity, could give you a nice opportunity. And last on the list is Gala my G. Gala. So let's check out Gala. Do I have Gala right here? Gala. I think I don't have Gala on this chart right here. I think I missed Gala right here. I'm gonna use my other chart. So I'm gonna use my other chart right here so that I can show you what we have on Gala. So based on Gala right here, this is what I had on Gala, and then I bought some Gala right here. You can see that. So I bought after a retest. So I currently have some accumulated position, and I'm targeting the next resistance structure at the price of their 0.0702 or 3. So I accumulated some Gala right here at this medium right here, and then currently I think I'm in 10% profit. So that is where I am approaching the cryptocurrency market. So for stock traders, if you are an investor in the stock market, let's go through the stock market. I have stock of Shopify on my list. So based on Shopify, I'm looking out for a pullback. This is the weekly chart. I'm looking out for a pullback. If you can see a pullback to the benchmark of the weekly bar we had on 30th of October 2023. So you can see a pullback to this structure right there. I'll be looking to accumulate more the stock of Shopify, right? You can as well speculate this. You can speculate this through my recommended brokerage firm. So if you want to speculate, I have a broker where you can speculate. And if you want to own the shares, if you want to own the shares of these stocks, I also have links of brokers where you can own the shares of this company. And then I have Roku. I'm still watching Roku. I'm still hoping for Roku to make a pullback because this is a long bull candlestick. I won't want to make an entry because to me the market value is too high for me to make an entry. So I want to look out for a pullback to this key level structure before I can accumulate more on Roku. So that is my view on Roku. And I have this stock which I've been monitoring. That is the Integris Incorporation. So you can actually get these shares. You can accumulate these shares or be an investor as an ownership investor in these shares of this company through. I have a link where you can get ownership. You can gain ownership of the shares of this company. So if you are interested, you can just check on the tab where I gave the recommendations of brokerage firm where you can invest in the stock market. Just click on the link in the description of this video or the link on my TikTok account, so you can go through my recommended brokerage firms, right? So I'm going to be looking to accumulate more stocks on these shares from this Integris Incorporation. And Apple, I know Apple is so common. Most of us know about Apple. So let's go to Apple. Apple as well. I'm looking out for a potential more accumulation. I already shared this with traders in my VIP community. That was last week. I shared this and I told guys how I'm going to make an entry. I already bought a lot of shares of Apple based on last week. I bought a lot of shares of Apple. I bought a lot of shares of Apple on Tuesday. That was on 7th of November. You can see my first entry right there. So I bought shares of Apple. That was at the price of the $179.18 per share. So I accumulated more shares of Apple. So let's see if we can see a pullback. So I'm currently looking out for a pullback based on the day chart. If I can see a bearish pullback to the resistance, to the previous low high swings, we had a low high swing right here. So if you can see a pullback to this level, if I can see a strong technical long signal, then I'll be looking out to accumulate more shares. So that is what I'm looking out for on Apple, right? So for those of you who want to invest in the shares of international companies, Apple could be a nice shares for you. So say, where can I hold stock? If you want to hold stock, this is what you need to do. If you click on the link on my bio, if you want to hold stock, if you click on the link on my bio, I have a link on my bio, right? So I have a link on my bio. Once you click on the link on my bio, you will be redirected to this page. So on this page right here, you can actually get I think I need to add brokers. I think I need to add brokers to my account so that you guys can actually see that. So let me just verify this right here. Once you can, I have an article on the differences between holding and speculating of stock, right? So once you click on the link on my, alternatively just join my Telegram group and send the keyword stocks, and then you get the link where you can accumulate stocks. So once you click on the link on my TikTok account, you should be redirected to the first tab right here. So on the first tab right here, just click on open trading accounts. So once you click on the first step right here on my TikTok profile, once you click on the link on my TikTok profile, you have the link in the description of this video. I have recommended brokerage firm in the description of this video on YouTube. So just click on that tab, and then on the newly open page, you will see the list of available brokers. So just scroll all the way down, and you're gonna use US stock ownership investing. So you can start investing on this platform right here. Okay, so you can hold stock right here. So just click on this blue tab, right? You can start holding stocks. Okay, so that is how you can do that. And now I have the Tesla as well. I know a lot of investors as well are interested in the stocks of Tesla. So let's check Tesla. Tesla is also on my list, right? So Tesla, Tesla have been showing some kind of indecisions, right? Yeah, so I'm still monitoring to see what Tesla has to do, but Tesla is kind of still going in a ranging medium because what Tesla is currently doing right now, I still don't understand what it's doing. But I'm still monitoring Tesla. Maybe we could get, we could get the potential zone to accumulate on the Tesla. But what I can see on this consolidation phase right here is a pattern that looks like an inverted head and shoulder. You can see right here we have the right potential right shoulder, potential left shoulder, and the head right there. So let's see if this structure right here could add as a neckline. So I'm looking at if we can see a breakout of this pattern right here to the upside, and I'll be looking to accumulate Tesla. So this is my view on the Tesla. So this is how I want to approach Tesla. So guys, this is what I have. So for those of you guys who are joining the Telegram group right now, you are welcome. And then I've seen your messages right there. I've seen your messages. I think someone joined right now and said, okay, you are welcome, new. So you are welcome. So right, I'll respond to you. So you guys can just make a request of whatever you need on my right from my Telegram group. I'm always right there, so you guys can make a request of whatever you want on my Telegram group, and I'll give answers to your questions right here. Okay, so you guys can just forward. You guys just ask me questions or forward any requests, anything you need in trading. Just forward them to me on my Telegram group, so we can communicate. We can talk right there on the Telegram group. Right, so this is all I have for you today, and then let me disclose my position. Right, so I am currently holding on to my short position on US oil. Now I've been holding this position now for like 3 weeks, so my position on US oil is still active. I've been shorting down, so I'll be, if price can break this key level structure and then close above it, then I will be very careful of my my short position on US oil. So because I basically I'm trying to trade to target the measurement objective of this pattern right from the neckline, right from the neckline structure to the eye, to the peak right here. That is almost something like 17%. So 17%. So if I'm going to be looking down, then I'll be looking out for something around 17%. Is going to be around this structure right there. So I'm still open for a more downtrend, right? So this is why I'm still holding on to my short position on US oil. So let's see how today is going to react to this key level structure at the price of the 77.889. If price can have a strong daily close above the structure right here, then let's see what the next few days can have. If it can have a bearish engulfing or whatever. So I still have my stop loss above this structure right here. And this is the high of last week. I think that was on Tuesday. I think that was a last week bar, right? So let's see what we have. If price gonna hit my trading stop, right? So based on my trading strategy, I'm a swing trader, so I tend to have a wider stop loss and a trading stop loss. I should have eliminated this trade right here, but I'm still looking out for a test of this structure for a continuation of downtrend to this key level structure, right? Because this structure right here is where I tag as my take profit one. This was my take profit one, and then I've really moved my stop loss to break even, and this will be take profit 2 on US oil, and this level right here will be take profit 3, right? So this is how I swing trade. So let's see how the market will keep on respecting this level, and then if the market should go against this level right here, whereby the market closed above this level structure right here and they rallied up to this structure, then it means I'll be out in this trade, right? So but before that, I'll make sure I try to protect some profits. Okay, so I am not yet going out of this trade because based on this long pattern, based on this pattern we had right here, I'm acting based on this pattern we had right there. So this pattern is kind of too wide for this small short entry, right? So this pattern is too wide for this small short entry. If you should take the measurement objective of this head from the eye structure to the neckline of the breakout right there, it's almost 15%. And then if you take it right from the neckline to this structure right here, this is almost 17. So I will take the range of 15%. So if I'm targeting 15% from the neckline breakout, this structure right here, 15%, I still have more room. So I don't agree this level should be the, or anyway, The market can decide whatever it wants to do in the market. The market can decide whatever it wants to do. But I have to follow my strategy. I have to follow my strategy and hold on to it, right? If the market should reverse the profit, at least I know I'm not having a losing trade. I still have some trade, some profit to protect. And this is part of being disciplined. This is what worked for me. So if it doesn't work for me this time around, I know next time, it will work, right? So I have three short positions on US oil, and all three positions are in a massive profit. But I want to keep on riding this trend down. So someone said Dylan and Taman trades. Hello, bro. Yeah, hello to you. So this is my view, guys. Diwaila at Mantra. Good evening. Right. So, guys. So, what else again? Are we gonna have any question? Or that is all? We just shut down the live stream. We're gonna shut down the live stream. Can just shut down the live stream, right? So I have a copy of this live stream on YouTube. You guys can go right there and just watch this live stream. So I gotta end the live stream right now. So thank you guys for always being there. So Basi Rayan, if you want to hold stock, just click on the link on my TikTok account. Then you click on the open account. Then you scroll all the way down to select Bamboo. Right? Someone said, when will you be going live on forex? I do go live on forex first. Boss, are you still holding Canada? Yeah, we took okay. Yeah. That is we took some trade today in Telegram group. That was an Australian dollar paid against the Canadian dollar. So we tried to make some aggressive entry. So based on what we have right there, I told you guys I wanted to wait for the end of close of candlestick, right? So I initiated this trade on a different account. I have different accounts. I have an account whereby on that account it's a strict rule. And I have other account whereby I take aggressive entries right there. So based on the aggressive account which I took on this trade, you can see I told you guys whenever price get to this the descending trend line, you should be expecting a pullback of price. So currently right now we are expecting a pullback of price. So based on that account, I'm still holding on. And then based on the entry, I made an entry at this close of 4-hour candlestick, short pullback. So I'm still holding on to the support right here. This is my stop loss. So let the market hit my stop loss right here. Now I'm a swing trader, I won't be getting out right here. So let's see how far this can go, right? But I'm taking this account on one of my accounts which I use for risk trade. So it's a little amount deposited in that account. I think that account should be around something like $5,000 right there. So it's an account I actually use to take very risky trade. So instead of trading on the demo account, I just deposited that $5,000 right there to take just risky trade. So also for purpose of learning, when you trade on a demo account, you can't really learn fast. So that's why I don't like trading on a demo account. Instead of trading on a demo account, I would rather fund an account whereby I deposit in an amount of money I know I can risk. So if I can reach $5,000 right there, if anything can happen right there, it's not a big deal for me. So I have a different account whereby I take a retrade based on my trading rules. So I haven't yet executed trade on that account. So I'll be looking out for end of close. So let's see what the end of close we give us. If you can see a strong bullish bar at the end of day right here today, then I'll be looking out if we can find a nice entry zone, right? And then I will be looking out if price can make a pullback before end of close. If price can make a strong bullish pullback out of this descending trend line today, then that would be a nice signal for us. I told you guys, I said there's a possible of a pullback right there. So I'm not scared. Actually, the account I took this trade is meant for a risky trade and it's for learning purposes, right? The major purpose on that account is not to, it's not for profit, whatever. It's just for learning purposes, right? So FSP trading, I'm still holding on to the long position on Australian dollar paid against the Canada, right? Okay. So on forex trading, I do go live every day. I do go live every day on forex trading. Okay. I go live on forex trading every day. So 12 p.m. GMT +1, I go live on YouTube and TikTok. analyze the market, right? So if you're a trader and you want to learn, you can always join my live stream on, that is 12 p.m. every day, Monday to Friday. So this is how I got the trade set up on Australian dollar pair against the Canadian dollar. But the daily chart is looking so bearish. The daily chart is looking so bearish, and this is why I stated traders got to be very careful if you're going to take a long entry based on Australian dollar pair against the Canadian dollar. You can see that. And I gave my reasons why I want to be looking out for a long entry on Australian dollar paid against the Canadian dollar. You know, Canadian dollars has the correlation, has market correlation to oil. Canadian dollar has market correlation to oil. You know, they are kind of correlated. Okay, that is a US oil. So this is why I was interested to trade this position. So whenever the Canadian economy is going up, Canada, that means the oil market as well will be booming. And whenever the oil market is weak, Canada economy as well tend to be weak. So this, because this currency has the same correlation. You know, Canada is one of the largest producer of oil in the world. So this is why anything that goes on US oil tend to affect the Canadian economy, right? So this is why, since I'm shorting the Canada, since I'm shorting Canada, you know, since I have a short entry on Canada, then I want to short. Since I have a short entry on US oil, I have a short entry on US oil. Because I have a short entry on US oil, now I'm currently shorting the US oil. So this is why I want to short Canada. So if I'm going to be buying, if I'm going to be longing, if I'm longing Canada, if I'm longing Australian dollar paid against the Canada, if I'm longing Australian dollar against the Canada right here, if I'm longing Australian dollar paid against the Canada, it means indirectly I have the belief Canada is weak, right? So if I'm longing Australian dollar, then indirectly I'm shorting Canada, which means I'm also should be shorting US oil. So since I'm shorting US oil, any currency pairs against the Canadian dollar, I should be looking out for short entry. So this is why, any currency paired against the Canadian dollar, I should be looking out for a long entry. So as you can see right here, I'm trying to long the base currency right here, and the Qatar currency Canada, I'm shorting it down, right? So this is my view. So this is my view, right, guys? So that's my view. So guys, I'll be live here once again today, 9 p.m. You know, I should be live. I should be live. On Sunday I do come live, but I wasn't available on Sunday, so I was unable to go live. You know, so I'll be live today 9 p.m. So you guys can join me 9 p.m. today if you want us to talk about the market. So this is all I have for you in the market. This is what I have for you. Okay, guys. So that is all. We are gonna meet today 9 p.m. Okay, guys. FS Pro, thank you for joining. Thank you. So that is all.